Hello guys! In today's video, I'll be showing you how you can add your stickers on Instagram. So without further ado, let's begin. To start, we need first to add your story. You can choose any picture that you want. After that, just tap on the sticker icon. And then you can see right here the option, Add Yours. Now what you're going to do is just to tap on this Add Yours. And then there will be options or template that you can choose from. For example, Get to Know Me. My name is my nickname or my latest obsession. And then the other one, share a song you have on repeat right now. Or this or that. So there's a lot of options that you can choose from to add your sticker. So for example, I want to add this one, and then what we're going to do is to tap on Next, and then tap on Continue. And you can also edit this sticker if you want this to be big or small. And that's it! I hope this video helped you out. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.